What's up, y'all? Just Zay here, back getting another pickup, and today we got a super duper special episode for you guys. Today, I'm proud to announce the partnership with today's video with Temu. For those of you guys that are unaware, Temu is a super duper powerhouse marketplace where you can buy just about anything. And two of the great things about them that stood out to me is that they offer free shipping as well as free returns within 90 days. And they have what's called a price protection policy. Basically, what that means is if you buy something within 30 days, it goes on sale, you request a partial refund. So win-win, no matter how you look at it. So if you guys can't tell, which I don't think you can, take a look at today's fit. You understand? As well as what's in the intro, all this was by Temu. So what I have here is an outfit for each season, and this is just a small sample size of what you can get from Temu. I'll have the link in the description box so you can be able to use my code for additional perks. But this outfit right here is only going to cost you under $14 right here. I love this. This is perfect for this spring. And then you have the pants that go with it. What I love about these pants, and these are under $10. You have the nice belt right here. They have the nice little design and very soft fabric. And then when it comes down for the summertime, you have this fit right here. These of course are short sleeve and these are shorts. I love the pattern. I love these type of patterns. So for this whole outfit, you can get for under $20. And then for the autumn, you have this fit right here, which is perfect because this is under $13. And I love the patch that's on here for the sleeves. You guys see that? I actually have two of these. I love this right here. And then this fit right here, it's gonna put you at under $33. This is under $13. And these corduroy pants right here are under $20. And then you have a winter fit, which is perfect because depending on where you are, you're gonna get snow. And it's right around that time where everything is just perfect visually. This is under $17. I have two of these. There's actually one I'm wearing right now. And then this right here, nice comfortable pair of pants to go with the fit. It's under $22. I want to show you just exactly how precise they are with the measurements for those of you guys that are on the fence. It says the bust area. This is a extra large. They say the bust area is roughly 49.3. I am at 24. So times that by 2, that's 48. So that's about right. Now this does stretch, so this doesn't have stretchability. So if we were to stretch it, we could. That's fine. That's on the bust area. And then it says the sleeve length is 26.8. So how close are we to 26? That's 26. Yeah, so we're right at 25, 26, depending on where you count your shoulder off at. So that's accurate. And then we have the shoulder width. This is an extra large. So the shoulder width at its largest point, they say is 22.1. This is right at 10, 11. So depending on where you are, times that by 2, that's right around 20. So if it's at 11, that's 22, so that's spot on. And that's important because this is an extra large, and then this right here is a medium. And so it's pretty much the same thing as far as the measurements go, as far as how exact they are, how precise. So the chest on this one, they say the medium should be roughly 45.8. We're at 22, so times that by 2, that's 44. It's roughly right where it should be. As I said, it does stretch, has a little bit of stretchability. And they also tell you on there if the items are able to stretch as far as clothing goes. Shoulder width, it should be a 20.5. Shoulder width, it is right about 9.5, maybe 10. So I'll say 10 on the safe side. So that's what, 20, so that's spot on, 20.5. These are the corduroy pants. Slim fit, amazing quality, no imperfections. All the pockets work, they're functional. Zipper. And these do stretch just a little bit, so there's a little bit of leniency when you're picking your size. Great quality, man. So quality on this fit is 5 out of 5. I didn't notice any imperfections. Beautiful, beautiful, not in the stitching at all. Nice on the shirt. On the pants, quality is amazing. On the inside, and the out. I like the belt. That's really what drew me to it, the belt, and then the stitching that's right here up the middle. Now, this is actual stitching. I know some sellers don't have the stitching. They have like it just creased and it's ironed that way or steamed. But this is actual stitching. Amazing quality, 5 out of 5. This fit right here. Summertime. Stitching, amazing. Zipper works perfectly, up and down. Same for the shorts, quality, amazing. 5 out of 5 on both garments. And lastly, this fit right here. Very, very soft. I like this, and you're able to see the stitching and the pattern. It's quilted. I like that quality. 5 out of 5. The zipper works perfectly, seamlessly, and it's shiny. It's always a plus. Like I said, no imperfections whatsoever. Nice and soft. 5 out of 5 on this. Pants. They'll stretch just a little bit, as well as right here in the waistline. All the pockets are functional, and they all work. Quality amazing. 5 out of 5. So 2 of the most important things about a fit is being able to accessorize and being comfortable. Now, if you guys are familiar with my videos and you've been paying close attention to detail, then you know for sure I always keep a nice set of bracelets on. This right here I was able to get for under $3. This was able to get for under $1. I might switch it up. I usually do the black, and depending on the fit, I might pull out a red one singular by itself, just so it makes the outfit pop a little bit. Now, accessories are important, as well as comfort. Comfort is a little bit more important to me because this is how you present your outfit. Now, what we have right here is a 40 set of soles on this on the right side, and then we have the EVA foam on the left side. Now, these are very, very, very essential. These are what you need, especially if you guys out there wearing those retros or you guys wearing the dress shoes. This is what you need. The reason I said it because this is made out of the EVA foam, and this is what helps make the footwear responsive. And it's thin enough where you can go to a pair of loafers, or if you want to wear a pair of boots, you can double up, something like that. And you're able to get a 2-pack for these under $3. That's the EVA foam. Now these right here, these are the 4D sole. The difference between these only come in one set for under $4. This is going to make sure that you have the responsiveness and comfort and the pressure points of your foot. So each point right here is where you're going to need that extra piece of cushion, and it does have the responsive tech right here. All right, so there's no such thing as a perfect fit if it's wrinkled. That's why I went and got this steamer right here. It is off, and what we're going to do is we're going to see just exactly how long it takes to heat up. There is water in here. We're right about half. You guys can see that. And basically you lock it in. Once you put the water in, just turn the button on. And you're going to wait till it starts bubbling. You'll hear it in just a little bit. And I want you to put it at an angle. You just start steaming away. So there's a little bit of crease right here, a little bit of wrinkles. No biggie. I'm gonna try to stay in just the middle so you guys can see the difference. And my hand is getting a little bit warm because this is of course steam, it is hot. Cut it off. As you guys can see the clear difference. This is just water, this dries up. That happens with just about every steamer. But for $16, I mean, I can't complain.